Seaweed cultivation is a useful component of utilizing marine resources, and it is now being emphasized in India. According to an estimate, using 5% of the exclusive economic zone for seaweed cultivation can generate employment opportunities for about 50 million people and can also produce more than 6 billion liters of bioethanol. To achieve this, Seaweed Mission was launched by Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council on its 34th Foundation Day. The day also saw the launch of Shram Shakti Manch or Saksham job portal to facilitate employment of the workers who lost their jobs due to COVID-19. The portal will directly connect laborers with the MSMEs, thereby eliminating middlemen or contractors.
जो सक्षम पोर्टल है उसमें जितने भी डिस्प्लेस्ड लेबर्स हैं ड्यूरिंग पैंडेमिक, जो अपने अपने काम को छोड़कर अपने अपने गाँव को वापस आ गए हैं, उनकी एक रजिस्ट्री तैयार हो जाएगी। हमारे भारत की कोस्ट लाइन 7,800 किलोमीटर है और हम इतना सीवीड अगर हम पैदा करेंगे, कल्टीवेट करेंगे, तो उससे तरह तरह के न्यूट्रिएंट्स बनेंगे, प्रोटीन्स बनेंगे, ओमेगा 3 बनेगा, बहुत सी चीज़ें बनेंगी जिनका कि आज हम इंपोर्ट करते हैं।
While celebrating the Foundation Day of TIFAC on the 10th of February, several important aspects were discussed under the theme Technology, Innovation and Economy for Self-Reliant India. These included future technology priorities such as cyber physical systems, quantum computing, green chemistry, agriculture, water, etc. Two reports titled Techno-Economic Feasibility on Indian Bamboo as Wood Substitute and Opportunities for Fruit and Vegetable Processing in Northeastern Region of India were also launched at the event. Experts highlighted cultural changes as well as connection of invention and innovation ecosystem to unlock the potential for self-reliance in India.
आत्मनिर्भरता के लिए हमें सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट करना होगा, हमें सर्कुलर इकोनॉमी को बढ़ावा देना होगा, हमें प्रोडक्ट इंजीनियरिंग को बढ़ावा देना होगा, हमें अपना कंजम्पशन कम करना होगा और हमें अपना इंडस्ट्री, एकेडेमिया और नेशनल लेबोरेटरीज़ का जो एक सामंजस्य है उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग करके देश में प्रोडक्ट्स को बनाना होगा, जिससे हमें बाहर से इंपोर्ट कम से कम करना पड़े।
TIFAC, an autonomous organization of the Department of Science and Technology, looks ahead in technology domain to access the technology trajectories. Now, TIFAC is focused on technologies that can make India self-reliant as well as futuristic.